In this video, I am going to show you can make literally become a profitable trader. Yes, I said it. I'm gonna show you how to become a profitable trader, what you need to do, how to mark up your charts, what your thought process has to be when you are marking up your charts, what you should look for entry, and how you can potentially become a profitable trader. So let's start. Okay, as I said, this strategy is called the Asia sweep. So potentially what we need to do is, okay, so step number one, we are going to go to the daily time frame. Okay, so after we go to the daily time frame, we're gonna mark our current daily candle, right, which is literally the 6th of April 2026. Remember, we are back testing, so let me just quickly change this colors. By the way, if you all think my colors is let's not go into my colors, but if you guys think my colors is exceptional, then please leave a like and comment exceptional. Okay, and obviously please like, subscribe, and comment, guys, please. So once we go to the daily time frame, the second step is we are going to go to the 1 hour time frame. Why do we need to go to the 1 hour time frame? Clearly because we need to refine our vertical line, right? We need to be on the right time, we need to be clearly on the right candle, because we need to mark out the 12 a.m. candle, because we are marking up the Asia range. If you're in South Africa, Asia the Asia range is between 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. So then after you done that, then you're gonna mark your 9 a.m. After you mark that, so now we're just gonna look how we range in between this, right? So we're just gonna see, let's just see what happens. Okay, cool. So since we saw that, okay, so the next step is we are going to mark our Asia. We can take this, we're gonna mark our Asia low, right? We're gonna mark our Asia low and our Asia high, which is this. And as you can see, we swept Asia high, right? We swept Asia high. What we're gonna do is, so that we can actually remember this, we're just going to mark it by saying sweep, or we can just say swept, right? Boom. So that is what we did, right? So after we do that, after we've done that, so like I said, step number one, we go on the daily time frame, we mark our daily candle, our current daily candle. Then we move on to the 1 hour. Then we're gonna refine it to the 12 a.m. candle, because we need to be precise, and we are marking out the Asia range. And then we're gonna proceed on marking our 9 a.m. candle. And then after the prices range between the 12 a.m. to 9 a.m., we are gonna mark our high and low of the range, which we just saw that it got swept. And the one thing I like to do is I like to see how and what, sorry, okay, so the one thing I like to do is I like to see what attracts price to sweep the high or the low. Before that, I wanted to do that so that we can actually see what attracts price to sweep the high of the Asia or the low of the Asia. Let me show you real quick. So we don't see anything, but I would have marked this right here. simply because okay, so I would have marked this fair value gap simply because I think that price might have been attracted to this fair value gap, and it would have made me more confident that we would have swept the low of the Asia range, right? So as you can see, we clearly don't have anything that is attracting price to sweep the high. Okay, so then the next step is for us. Okay, so now we're gonna go on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're gonna simply look for a fair value gap. As you can see, this fair value gap right here, it already has been tapped in, but let's go on towards the 15-minute, and we're just going to we're just going to see what aligns, right? Okay, so we clearly have a liquidity point right here that needs to be swept. So if we sweep this, so I feel like this. Okay. So we are going to look for buy simply because I feel like price is going to come back, sweep this areas. After it sweep this, we may proceed higher. So that is what we are going to do, right? So I think we might enter longs right over here.
Okay.
Right, our stop loss is just gonna be there. Just gonna take a, remember, don't be greedy with this strategy. We're gonna take a 2RR with this position. Now this is the part where you need to learn risk management. Since it's $1,000, I'll risk 3% of the account. So yeah, I'll risk 3% of the account. So yeah, let's see what happens.
Classy.
Okay, let's see what happens. Let's play this. Boom, boom. Look at that, guys. We literally, with no drawdown, look at this. This could have been you guys. Like, look at this strategy, guys. You could have made money. So now we are currently let's say 60%. I don't know, 6%, I don't know. But our P&L right now is $60.52. So we are gonna keep on risking 3% of the account until we double the account. So currently we are up 6%. So yeah, let's see what happens. So as you can see, yeah, this is the trade, this is the strategy, guys. You guys can literally make money with this. You can print money, you can be profitable. So yeah, the number one thing is don't over risk. Normally just take a 2RR, and yeah. So please subscribe, like, and comment. If we get 20 subscribers, I will post a backtesting diary every single day. Okay.